In this video, I want to share with you 10 free prompts for Mexico Independence Day that will be trending on September 16th of this year. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those free prompts for Mexico Independence Day, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Wednesday, August 14th, 4:09 p.m. and I'm sitting at 36 sales, $70 in royalties. That is going to put me at 729 sales for the month and about $1,300 in royalties for August. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So a niche that will be trending next month in September is going to be Mexican Independence Day. Not too many people know about this. A lot of people think like Cinco de Mayo's Independence Day here in Mexico, but the real Independence Day for Mexico is coming up on September 16th. And I like this niche because, you know, September can be kind of a slow month unless you're like doing back to school or like Halloween stuff. So it's a good niche that not too many people know about. Pretty low in competition. And if you want to get the free prompts for Mexico Independence Day, I don't know if you guys can hear the thunderstorm going on right now, but hopefully it doesn't mess up the audio. Just click on the first link in the description and you can get 10 free Mexico Independence Day prompts. Completely free. All you have to do is just put the number 0 right here. Click on I want this. I won't send you any emails or anything like that. Now, if you want, you can leave a donation, but that is not necessary or mandatory at all. You can just get it completely for free. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these prompts. So let me go ahead and start from right here. Okay, so this first one right here is Viva Mexico. So one of the traditions down here in Mexico, because I've been here for 19 years, I've seen a lot of these Independence Day. When the clock hits 12, you know, they have one of like the mayor or the president of the city or, you know, the country, you know, in some type of like building in the city, and he says Viva, and they go Mexico, Viva Mexico, and everybody gets really into it. It's actually a pretty cool thing. Now sometimes they also say Viva Mexico Cabrones, so that could be another one, but you might want to check that one for trademark because I think it could be trademark, but Viva Mexico should be fine. But you can see this is a really nice one. It's like integrating the flag with the butterfly and flowers, so that actually looks really nice in my opinion. These are all magic prompts. So whoops, right here, oh, that's a different one. Let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, so right here we're going to see nice long detailed descriptive magic prompt right here. So that's the first one that I got, and then the next one is going to be this one right here. A lot of them are Viva Mexico because that's kind of like the main theme. You can also do like some cross niching or try and niche down if you want. But here's another nice one. The rain is starting to come down. This is the rainy season down here in Puerto Vallarta. Here's another one, Chingona. So Chingona is like kind of like a swear word, means like badass, but for a girl. So like badass girl. Nice prompt right here. Again, magic prompt, detailed and descriptive. Next one is going to be with the date. So right here, 16th of September, Independence Day, 1810. So I believe that's the year that Mexico became independent. That is the fourth one. Here's another one also with the date. This one is a little more kind of, I guess, rugged, you could say. This one looks good. You got the eagle. Mexico probably has one of the nicest flags, I think, in the world. Really nice colors and the eagle right here. So that's another one. Here we got a funny one. So Hola Pistachos with the sugar skull. Now I might make another video about Day of the Dead because that's also going to be trending right after Halloween. Day of the Dead is a really cool holiday down here in Mexico. They get really into it, so it'll be exciting to be here for that. So that is another one that I have. And here's the funny one with the chili and an avocado, playing some music and saying Viva Mexico. So those are 7. Now there are 3 more, but for some reason I forgot to heart them on my ideogram page. But here is what the Word file looks like. You can download this for free. Again, all you have to do is just click on that first link in the description and you can get them for free. All right, so I just wanted to get those out to you, give you guys some freebies, so I'm not always trying to like sell you guys something, so you guys can get something for free right here. But if you are interested in how I get sales like this right here. You might want to consider becoming a member on my YouTube channel. Now, I got a really cool review the other day from one of my members. I wanted to share it with you. Let's see if I can pull it up real quick. So one of the things that I offer when you become a gold or silver member is I give you these daily trendy niches with prompts and keywords. And so here is actually a review. Actually, I post these in my membership page right here on my YouTube channel. So here's actually an organic review, and I didn't pay this person. This person just made this by themselves. I was actually at the gym and I saw it, and I didn't have my glasses, so I couldn't even really read it that well. But check this out. It says, "Hi, today marks 30 days as a gold member of the group, and I'd like to share my feedback." I was a little nervous when I first saw this. It says, "Over the past month, I've uploaded all the daily niches and about 50% of the bulk niches shared. As a result, I've made around 150 sales, all from niches suggested by Mike, earning $240 in royalties. Thank you, Mike. This has been the best investment I've made in the POD space." That was pretty cool to see. To everyone else, keep following Mike's advice and upload the suggested niches. So thank you to this person right here. Shout out to you. Holy smokes. It's coming down. So if you're interested in becoming a member on my YouTube channel, all you have to do is just click on, where did it go? It's one of these pages. All you have to do is just click on the join button. So if you go to, if you're obviously you're watching this video, but on the video right here, you're going to see this join button. So you just want to click on that, and then you can watch this video right here, and I'll kind of explain a little bit more. I offer bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is just like to support the channel. You get like priority reply to comments, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold. Now the silver is going to get you those daily niches that I mentioned about. I send you a post every day, but you're also going to get 4 members only videos, 1 a week. It comes out on Monday every day at 6 a.m. and those videos are going to be low competition, evergreen niches, also with prompts. So as a silver member, you're going to get both trending niches daily, and then you're going to get weekly evergreen niches. All right, and then you're also going to, if you become a gold member, you're going to get everything in the silver package, but then you're going to get all of my prompts for free. So at the beginning of each month, I create a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 2 months from now. So today is the 14th. So if you became a member, I'm going to have to pull this up, so if you became a gold member like today on September 1st, you would get a Word file for 100. You get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in November. All right, and they're like evergreen, trending, basically for November. So like food niches, what else? You got animal niches, awareness niches, occupation niches. All that will be trending in November, and they will also be. They're also like considered evergreen niches as well because they'll sell all year round. But mainly they're from November. Hopefully that makes sense. So if you're interested, click this button right here. Now, if this is not available in your country, I also offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. So right here, all you have to do is just click on, where to go, Patreon right here, and you get the same thing for the exact same price. All right, and then I also got some freebies. So if you're interested, you can click on my name right here, and you can check out some of the courses I have. I have a Merch by Amazon Masterclass for beginners. Really good, only $19 or $20, but then I got these freebie prompts right here that you can cruise around and take a look at. The ones that would probably make the most sense for this time of year is going to be the back to school ones, which I might have passed already. Yeah, so right here, 75 back to school prompts, and then also the 100 prompts or the 5 free Halloween prompts, right? So if you're interested, take a look. But it's kind of a shorter video today. I'll probably have some more content out next week. I've just been really busy getting things ready for Q4 for Etsy and for Merch by Amazon, so I can take advantage of that holiday traffic. All right, hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.